In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use GoHighLevel as a coach. So coaches are a perfect fit for GoHighLevel because often your biggest pain points will be lead generation, follow-up and nurturing, program delivery and retention, and GoHighLevel can help you improve all of that. So I'll show you exactly how you can do that in 7 different ways. So first, in terms of client acquisition, you can use GoHighLevel in the following way. Now, by the way, if you haven't yet created your GoHighLevel account, you can claim an extended 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days through the link down in the description. And after doing that, you want to go and create a sub account. So if I switch to agency view, you can go to sub accounts here, and then you can go and create a sub account. And what you can do is here in the snapshot template, you can go to select a coach. So they have, for example, business coaching, career coaching, life coach, and wellness coaching. So most coaching will fall under one of those 4 categories, but it will still be helpful to pick one of these because it will come loaded with a bunch of helpful templates. So let's say you are a business coaching, then you can just go and select that snapshot. Then you will need to enter an address for where you are located. If you don't have a physical address, you can just enter whatever. Then enter your first name, last name, and email address, or if you work with coaches and you want to use GoHighLevel for your coaches who are your clients, just enter their details. So after setting up the sub account, just going to click switch to sub account. And once you're in the sub account, what you can now do is go to sites in the left menu, and this is for the client acquisition. And since I selected a snapshot, it will come loaded with funnels and websites. But if you just create a new funnel, you can also select them as a template there. But for example, it has the business coaching offer right here. So you will see its offer, booking, thank you. So for this one, for example, you could also just create a simple funnel where you go directly to a booking page, but you can also give something away for free, such as strategic objectives for business expansion, and then you can claim your free whatever. If you don't want to offer something for free, then you can just skip this entire step and just go to book an appointment. So you will see this will actually pop up as well. People will need to enter their full name, email, phone. How often do you normally work out? Now, of course, you can go and customize this, and then I confirm that I want to receive messages. And if they click claim your and you are offering something for free, it will then automatically be sent to them. If you don't want to do that, then you can just have it say book an appointment or something like that. So what you can also do is create a funnel using AI. So if I click create using AI, within seconds, I can then go and select what the name of my business is, such as Dani's Coaching, then your industry, let's say coaching center. From there, click next. Then what you want to do, generate more leads, get more appointments, showcase your services, or sell products and services. I want to get appointments, and the content should feel friendly, professional, sarcastic, whatever you want to do. I'll do friendly. Now hit generate, and then it's going to generate your sales funnel for you. So you can just create a simple opt-in page, add a form or booking page, and then a thank you page, and they will then be automatically added to your pipeline, where you can then follow up with them automatically, send them reminders and stuff like that. And that's what I'll show you how to do next after this has generated. So you can see now it has created this sales page or booking page for me where people can click unlock your learning potential and then book in a slot in my calendar, and also show you how to use the calendar. For now, the automated nurture sequences through email and SMS, just go to automation right there, and this can massively increase your show up rate. And also for those that haven't booked a meeting but you just have their email, for example, you can also run automations for those people. So you can see they already have the new lead nurture Fast 5 to claim an offer. They have appointment confirmation and reminders, appointment no-show, new sales send review request, long-term nurture, and still leads. Now, for example, the Fast 5 is when somebody goes to claim the offer form or a Facebook lead form, then an opportunity is created in your pipeline, they are added to another workflow, an email and SMS is sent, and then you can just see what happens right here. Now you can customize this if you want to, but this works very well. Now what you can also use GoHighLevel for as a coach is for appointment booking and calendar integration. So if you go into your calendars, you can go to your calendar settings at the top, and from here you can now set your availability, your preferences, and if you go to connections, from here you can go and connect it with another calendar. So if you click add new, you can connect to Google Calendar, Outlook, iCloud, and even Calendly. You can also connect to Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft, since as a coach you will probably be having your meetings online, so you can just go and connect that right here to create a unique meeting link each time. Then in your availability, you can set the days that you want to be able to be booked, and you can set, for example, the times that people can book. Now from here, you can select your services, your language and region and all of that. So just gonna set this up, and then you can create a meeting type. So for example, a discovery call is probably what you want to do first. So then you can just click on create new calendar for that. Then you have, for example, schedule an appointment, which is a 30-minute meeting. Now next, what you can do with GoHighLevel is one of the more important things as a coach: course and membership delivery. So if you go to memberships right here, what you can do is go to courses or even communities. Now I'll show the course, for example, and then here you can just host and sell your course through GoHighLevel. So if you're a coach that works with courses, maybe you want to offer them for free, maybe you want to sell them, you can do that on GoHighLevel. Just go to products right there to create one, and then click create product. Now you can import from Kajabi if you are currently using Kajabi, or you can start from scratch. Then the communities, you can also offer your courses inside of your communities. So if you go to groups, you can just create a new group. It looks pretty similar to the school groups if you are familiar with that. So from there you can click create a community, give it a name and all of that. You can also make it a paid community later on with, for example, a one-time entrance fee or a monthly subscription. Now you can also use GoHighLevel for actually taking payments. So that can be for the communities or courses or just general payments. If you go to payments right here, you can simply create invoices through GoHighLevel. If you click integrate payment gateway, from there you can integrate with Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, Square, and they have a few more. So if you just go to the invoices section here, you can click new, then you can create a new invoice or a new recurring invoice. So if you're a coach that works on a recurring subscription and it's not for the community, then here you can just click create new recurring invoice and then add the details of who it needs to be billed to and all of that. And then it will automatically be sent at the time frame that you want it to be sent. Next, what you can do with GoHighLevel is the community engagement and retention. So you can use automations to check in with clients mid-program. So if you go to automation right here, you can, for example, set up an automation that says, hey Sarah, you're halfway through the program, how are you feeling so far? And the value of this is the personal touch points, and that means higher client satisfaction and renewals. Now finally, what you can do with GoHighLevel is managing your reputation and referrals. So they already have this automation right here that sends a review request when a sale is made. Now currently it's for an opportunity status changed to 1 in the pipeline, which I'll show you. So you will need to do that manually unless you set up an automation for that too. But basically what will happen is when they are set to 1, so you close them, a review request will be sent through email and SMS. You could also wait 3 days, for example, to do this so that they can actually go through your program a little bit. And then from there, an internal notification that says if this person hasn't yet left a review, please follow up manually. Now the great thing about this is that you can get a bunch of good reviews. Now you can also choose where you get them. If you go to reputation right here, what you can do is click on set up review link, and then you can add a link to Trustpilot or wherever you want, or you can just connect your Google business profile so that the reviews will automatically go to your Google account. Now, if you also run, for example, Facebook and Instagram or Google ads, you can also sync those ads with GoHighLevel by connecting your accounts. And then every single person who submits a lead form, for example, will automatically be entered into your contacts, which is very helpful because then you can also have them go through all of your automations and sales funnels. Now in the opportunity section, here is where you have your pipeline. So here you can just move every lead. If you do high ticket coaching, it's definitely worth it to do this. If you don't do high ticket, it can be a bit too much work to keep track of every single lead right here, but it can help you improve your close rates and to basically not forget to follow up with potential clients. So now you know how you can use GoHighLevel to get leads, nurture your leads, book calls, sell programs, deliver courses, retain your customers, and how you can get testimonials using GoHighLevel. Again, if you haven't yet created your GoHighLevel account, you can claim this extended 30-day free trial through the link down in the description. If this video on how to use GoHighLevel for coaches was helpful for you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.